Guys, we're here at Wide Open Throttle. Graphics, wraps, and rentals. Outside of, where are we? Red Deer, Alberta, Canada. We're here with Chris, Randy on the camera, I'm here. We're getting a wrap put on this old cat. This little kitty needs a little bit of an upgrade. We're gonna be asking Chris some questions, a few things that you guys need to know about wraps, all that kind of stuff. So before we came here today, guys, I ripped a few decals off with a heat gun, but I see Chris is using steam to take the rest of them off, which looks pretty cool. Way easier than using the heat gun. So Chris, when guys are looking to do a wrap on their sled and stuff, is there any particular procedure, anything they should ask first or do first, or?
You know, if you're buying a wrap, ask them what the material is. If they won't tell you, it's the right stuff. If they say 3M, run, and run fast, because 3M does not make vinyls made for sleds, dirt bikes, side-by-sides. These things are basically what they're called high energy plastics. And that's where this stuff comes in, where it's thick and there's extra adhesive on it. The heat activates the adhesive even more. Post-heating is crucial when you're done, just so you don't get any kind of failures and whatnot. But this stuff is so good that if it does start to peel a little bit of heat, when it's dry, throw it on. It's got 2,400 kilometers on this wrap. And the only parts that are dinged up are where the pull cord is. Like where you got your boots, you're still pretty good, right? You rub a little bit here.
That's not bad.
So, and it was wrapped since day one.
That's good.
Yeah. So
can most people do these wraps by themselves?
Oh yeah, putting a wrap on is super easy. You need patience though, just like anything. Do not wax your sled. Do not wax your sled.
Yeah, I was gonna wipe it down. I thought, you know, probably the worst thing to do is put some type of mothers on there or wax.
That is the worst thing to do.
As always, guys, if you find any of this stuff on this video helpful, go down below and subscribe. Click on that bell notification for us.
So here's the Digit 9 wrap. Side panels. I think the cat is 126 pieces. Like I was saying earlier, Polaris are 168 or 169, and then the Dew is around the 145-ish range.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I thought there'd be like 4 or 5 pieces.
Yeah,
you see it on like advertised on the other
Yeah.
decal places. It looks like, okay, there's 6, 7 pieces. Yeah, we'll just slap that on like this afternoon. And
the turbo Dew as well, with the new hood that it's got, that adds an extra, I think, 15 or 20 pieces as well. So, which I still have to make a template. That is not the proper template for the hood, just so your viewers are aware. I am in the process of making it. You can't get the template anywhere, so I gotta make it by hand. But.
So if you new turbo guys need some wraps done, how many wraps do you actually send out a year?
I've shipped out to Bakersfield, California, Texas.
Oh, wow.
Lots down in the States lately.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Good for you. So if you guys want to see some more of Wide Open Throttle stuff, some wraps, some rentals, there'll be a link just below you guys can click on and go check it out. Check out this new printer, guys. It's got 8 colors. It's massive. It's the only one with orange and light black or light gray? Light black. Supposed to be the shit.
So now we're doing the most important part of the installation, that's post-heating. What you do is just take your heat gun, throw it on. You don't want to put too much heat to it, but you want it warm enough where it's going to activate the adhesive underneath even more. Like this stuff is specifically designed for sleds and bikes, so more adhesive means it's going to stay, and it's going to stay on when you're in the snow. So yeah, just a quick little post heat. And it kind of gets rid of some of the air around the rivets as well. If you can put those down.
Dun dun dun. The Digit 9 mobile is alive.
Go here as well.
Thanks, Louis.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Most fun time we got together.
Yeah.